Welcome back to another Travel-Ons episode. We're in beautiful Stockholm with the Wakeride, and today we're going to go out with some of the best wakeboarders in Sweden. They're going to show us their skills, and we're going to try wakesurfing for the first time. Wakeride offers wakesurf courses and events, perfect for kickoffs and bachelor or bachelorette parties. If you're in Stockholm and want to try something different, you should check them out. If you're new to Travel-Ons, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. Let's do this!